Zingaphezulu kwezinkulungwane ezingamakhulu ayisikhobisa izicelo ezifakiwe zabafundi baka-Grade 1 kanye no-Grade 8 zangonyaka ozayo, kodwa umphathiswa wezemfundo eGauteng uMatome Chilwane uthi bangaphezulu kuka-96,000 abazali abangakaziphothuli lezo zicelo.
So I'm urging these parents that please you have this time period towards the 21st to really complete your applications. Otherwise, your application will be considered as incomplete and it will not be considered when we are beginning to place learners.
UChilwane uqinisekise ukuthi ukufaka abafundi esikhaleni kuzoqala ngenyanga ezayo.
The placement period will begin on the 16th of September. That's when the first batch of communication will go out. The 16th of September, parents will start getting SMS's placement offers. And this will continue until the last learner.
Abazali kumele bakhethe izikole ezisihlanu ezicelweni zabo, kanti umnyango uhlonze izindawo ezinengcindezi lapho ezinye izikole zitholeke izicelo eziningi kunezikhala ezinazo.
So within these 840 primary schools, some of the parents will not get their learners placed in those schools. In high schools, secondary schools, out of the 660, we have 310, which they've got more application than the school capacity.
UChilwane unxusa abazali ukuthi benze isiqinisekiso sokuthi ke zonke izikole ezisihlanu abazikhethile zihambisana nabo.
That parents make sure the schools you choose are schools that you as a parent will be happy when your child goes there. Because the system does not look at number 1 to number 5. It sees 5 schools to find space for your child. That's how it works.
Umnyango uthi ithuba lezicelo ezifike sekudlule isikhathi lizovulwa kulezi zinyanga ezizayo.